यहाँ पे देखना मैम इधर दादू
एक सेकंड आएंगे वहाँ पे रुको
सारे रिपोर्टर्स इस साइड आ रहे हैं।
रुकियो मैम राइट साइड या चलो Yes. You are looking black.
Arey wow, thank you very much.
Tell us something about the outfit and about the ramp.
Fab outfit. I think it's the perfect match to the car as well. The XUV 700, which I think both the designer's collection as well as the car, they just like they understated luxury, classic, elegant yet really edgy, and I think that goes with the outfit as well. And I felt really comfortable, and it was really fun to walk in something that I would wear. This is something I would wear to go out myself. So it was great. It was a really fun walk.
Your favorite car?
My favorite car. I mean I love SUVs, so the XUV is perfect for me.
Yes, please.
Amazing
Hi.
show.
Hello.
Pratap, come here. I run Exhibit magazine and did a fabulous walk.
Great.
And you looked
Glad you liked
absolutely
it. Thank you.
कैसे हो?
Hello, brother. And
That's Mr. Pratap Bose. He's the chief design officer.
We met.
अब आप क्वेश्चन पूछो.
जी सो अब यही बातें कर रहे थे कि बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल शो हमें देखने को मिला, तो बताइए कि कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस.
Please come here.
It's fine. It's fine.
No, please.
center?
Woman
आप
should always
center
be
हैं?
हिंदी में.
You comfortable anyone हिंदी इंग्लिश?
सो ये शो हमारे लिए बहुत ही स्पेशल है, महिंद्रा के लिए. एंड वी आर सो लकी दैट समवन लाइक डायना did the show for us, because Diana represents exactly what 700 Dark Edition is. Elegant, strong, confident, being noticed without shouting. And I think that's exactly what the Ebony Edition is. And thank you, Diana, for doing
Thank
this
you.
for us.
Thank you for the kind words.
So Diana जी,
Diana is, what he means is it's not that Diana is dark. It doesn't mean that. It means that Diana embodies dark in a way which is very sexy and very exuberant. You know, when she walked the ramp, you saw the show, right? It was already speaking volumes about what the show is, what the car is, and what she is as a person, right? Because she is an actress, she is a model, she is somebody who embodies that combination just in the right way.
I just want to add also, you know, like the XUV 700 Ebony Edition, Diana brings joy to our lives. You know, when we see her work,
Aren't we in the Christmas spirit?
and I really think that that's what it's about. When you can bring joy to people's lives through a car, through your acting, through your work, and I think that's really what, you know, creative people do.
And we should ask Diana what she thinks about the car.
I actually spoke about the car just
हमने
before you
वही
came.
बात की एंड हम बात कर रहे थे कि डायना जी आपका आउटफिट बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है
Please come.
Theme
Let
के
the
साथ
designers
में-
come in
Yes, yes.
because they are the
Theme के
one who
साथ में
are.
बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है तो थोड़ा बता
Gaadi bhi, I feel like the outfit, like I said, classic,
Please come.
elegant, and very sophisticated, understated, but very edgy and chic.
and Christmas
And you must ask the designers
Yes.
their point of view as well.
So-
बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल कार
So the question to ask is, how much time was it going and doing the black edition between these three people? Because they're the one between them.
कार मॉडल्स डायना जी शो सब कुछ हमें बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल देखने को मिला थोड़ा सा बताइए कि हाउ वाज एक्सपीरियंस विद ऑल
The experience was lovely. It was an amazing collaboration with Mahindra and Diana. She looked amazing. Car is obviously stunning, and it was a superb collaboration. It was a very short time, but we tried to put out the best we could. You know, being in the industry for so many years.
You did a good job.
Thank you so much.
I'm going to say, you know, Sonam and Paras, again, their creativity, but bringing out the elegance, the style, the power in their clothing, through their clothing, that you see on Diana, and represents our vehicle so well. I mean, it was, it just gave me goosebumps.
I think that was the whole inspiration behind the collection.
एंड
opinion मिल गया।
डायना जी क्रिसमस एंड न्यू ईयर इज जस्ट अ कॉर्नर सो क्या कुछ आपकी प्लानिंग होने वाली है एंड क्या कुछ
क्या आप black पहनेंगे या red पहनेंगे?
I
बताइए.
always wear black. I love black. I live in black. I'm gonna outshine the night with black.
She is a black Christmas guy. Is it right?
So yeah, Christmas and New Year around the corner. So I have to put up my Christmas tree. I'm not done it yet, but I promise to do it tomorrow.
सुपर
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.